verification failed. Well, I have a big man beard and everything. What's good, guys? Welcome to Vape Green. My name is Brandon, and today we'll be talking about our age verification. Now, due to the nature of our business and the products that we sell, we want to make sure we don't sell to any minors, anyone under the age of 18, which is why the age verification is implemented. The company our age verification is powered by are called Nucleus. So if you've done any online shopping in the past, you may have realized a company called Verify My Age. They are basically the same team that are behind Nucleus. They are also the official partners of eBay for their age verification also. This verification is just a one-time process, so once you've passed it, you won't be required to do it again in the future when placing an order with us. You will need to make sure that you use the exact same email address, first and last name, otherwise our system won't recognize you and you will be asked to verify yourself again. The system does an automatic background check through Electoral. Now, if passed, you won't be required to do an age verification and you will be able to finalize and place your order. Now, recently we've had some customers who have automatically passed without them knowing, and they've still received an email from Nucleus in regards to the age verification. Now, please note, guys, if you guys have placed an order and you have paid, you do not need to do an age verification. So you can disregard all these emails if you have placed an order and have paid already. For you customers who are struggling to verify yourselves, I'll be going through all the different options you can do to verify yourself. The first option will be taking a selfie. Now, I know it may sound a bit silly, like how does taking a selfie verify your age? But with this new program, it actually has an algorithm that actually scans your face and detects if you're of age. Another way to verify yourself is through ID. You will have to use an official piece of ID, so like a driving license or a passport. You can go ahead and scan that. You can also verify yourself through mobile. So if you have a mobile contract, you can enter your number and then it will pull all the details for your contract. And the same with a credit card, not debit card, but credit card. If you can scan your credit card and again, it will pull all the details from your credit card and verify you that way. Right, guys, so that's everything in regards to our age verification. And remember, if you've placed an order and you have paid, you do not have to do the age verification because you've passed it automatically. If you're still experiencing some issues, just remember to change device, laptop or computer, and also use a updated web browser such as Firefox and Google Chrome, and that should resolve all your issues. But until next time, stay safe, stay vape green.